We were all trying to move forward, inch by inch, but we couldn't. Then I got stuck here. Last night, at least I think, I've lost track of time, we managed to go a further 50 metres, and that's it. I've been right here since last night.
What can I say? We got snowed in here yesterday and we couldn't go any further. During the night we were evacuated to Athens airport and now I've had to fight my way back here. The train doesn't stop here at the station. I had to go to the next station. Then a police car gave me a lift. And that's how I adventurously got back here. And now I'm optimistically waiting for the journey to continue.